Good afternoon, children. This is your computer teacher, Devdeep sir, and we are back with the third installment or the third part of your introduction to HTML. Okay. Now, last class we saw the different HTML editors that are there. That means we can do HTML program either on the text editor like Notepad or TextEdit at both Windows as well as Apple platforms, and also we can use HTML editors like Eclipse and Bluefish. Okay. Now, mostly HTML editors are called VSync editor. The full form of VSync is what you see is what you get. So please mark it in your book. What you see is what you get. That means whatever you can see on the web page is whatever content that you're getting, and that is also the content that you have to program. Okay. Now, some of the basic editors are Adobe Dreamweaver, Amaya, Adobe Go Live, Adobe Copyshop are some examples of basic editors. Now, basic editors are also softwares by the help of which we can do HTML programming. So, what are basic editors? They are also HTML programs by the help of which we can do the programming of HTML. Okay. And the other application like word processor also provide advanced features that helps to show HTML based contents. Okay, if we want, we can save any content or page or Excel as a web page if we want. Okay, converts an entire document to HTML file. So if we want to save an information in the form of a web page, we can do that with the help of word processing software like Microsoft Office, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, etc. can be converted directly to a web page format. Okay. Now, a web browser for HTML. We can use variety of browsers for using web page viewing like Internet Explorer, Mozilla, Apple Safari, Google Chrome, Opera. So we can use all these softwares to view web pages. Okay. Now, basically the web pages will be able to view these HTML pages, okay, by the help of URL. Each of the web page comes with a default URL, and what is the default URL? That is http:// and the name of the page that you are creating. Okay, understood? So this is the URL. And also each page will have a link that will direct to a newer page. So what is a link? Link is a connection to one or more pages. So link is connection to one or more pages. So by the help of the link, we can connect to one or more pages. Alright. Now, what are the steps of creating a web page? There are different stages by the help of which we can create a web page. First, we need to plan our web page. Okay. So what are the contents that must be there in your web page? We must be clear about the content that we want to give. Okay. So first things first, be clear of the content that you want to give. The theme, gather information. We have to gather information, text, image, diagrams, etc. Organize the information at different sections, and then finally whatever content that you have gathered, you have to enter it, okay, with the help of a text editor. With the help of text editor, you can enter the content. If you want, you can even add images with the help of the internet itself. If you want to give your own images, you can use scanner to scan the images. And finally, adding the links or the hyperlinks so that different pages can be connected to create a web page. So hyperlink is very much needed, because in order to make sure the different pages that you have created are connected to form a fully working website. Okay, so that the different pages are connected and it creates a fully working web page. That is why it's quite important. All right. And finally, you can publish the web page. Okay. and so that the users could make it available on the internet. Okay, so this is how we can do it. So if you have any questions or queries related to the topics that we have studied today, please feel free to ask any questions related to the topics discussed. Okay, till then children, wishing you a very nice day ahead and keep studying the topics. Okay, this is your computer teacher Devdev sir signing off.